Hello you guys, welcome to my channel PLT Plus. I'm so glad to see you again. How are you feeling? Hopefully everything is good. If you are new to this channel, do the first three things: like, share and subscribe to be informed of my news video out. Today I'm going to recording this video in English. Sorry for my French people, but sometimes I need to change the language to speak in French in English, because some people are follow me on this channel PLT Plus, so they don't speak French, so I want to share the information with both French people and English people. At the end of this video, I'm going to give you the main information I share in this video for people who don't speak English. So in this video we are going to talk about the most important document you have to get if you want to stay in United States of America. That document is very important because some people are here a long time, some people 10 years 15 years they don't get that document. So is the thing you have to do, the first thing you have to do if you want to stay in United States of America. It depends now the process you are coming in United States of America, but today I'm going to talk by DV process. If you are in United States of America or you are immigrant in United States of America by DV lottery, you have you supposed to get your green card. Your green card, what is exactly the green card? I'm going to give you the short definition to understand exactly what is green card. The green card means residence. You are residence permanent. If you get your green card, that means you are residence permanent in United States of America. You have all the advantage, all the opportunity citizens have. So you have the possibility to apply for job. You have possibility to go to college, to go to high school, and do so many things. So if you are in United States of America, you are new here, the first thing you have to do is to start your process to apply for your green card. Your green card maybe will take 2 weeks or 3 weeks. It depends if you pay the fee of your green card back in your country. So before you come in United States of America, to the United States of America, your green card will be ready in 2 weeks or 3 weeks. But if you take time or you don't have the bank account in your country, you can wait. If you travel in United States of America, to the United States of America, you have possibility to apply online to start that process. That process will take maybe 1 month. So if you get your green card, you have to leave your green card at home. Don't go out with your green card, because if you lose it, it's going to be hard to get the new one. So if you get your green card, said thanks for God, because that is most important document in United States of America. If you have green card, you can go and come. You can go out the United States of America. You can go back in your country, visit your family, and come back. You can do so many things. We are going to talk about that soon, but I'm going to give you some advice, because it's important, that document. So if you have that document, leave that at home, because you don't need that every time. You will need that only maybe if you apply for some job, you see some job online, you want to apply for that, you apply. If you check the job, you have the ability to do that job, you apply. So the company who are going to take you to work for them, they will check first your social security, to check your exactly background. If you don't have, you never get the problem before, so the background will help them to get the idea about you, and they are going to check if you are available to you are authorized to work in United States of America. So if you have green card, you are valuable to work in United States of America. You will get that job. So if you don't you don't need to use your card, your green card for getting the job. You don't have to take with you when you are going out. So leave the green card at home. That is very, very important. After that, what is exactly the advantage to get the green card in United States of America? The first advantage is you will get so many opportunity will opening to you. First, you can go to school. If you don't have money, you don't have a lot of money to pay for your education, you can start the process to get the financial help to student loan. They call that like that here, student loan. And you will go to college or high school. You finish your education. After you finish your education, you will pay the money back. So that will help you to save the money you get when you are at work. Because some people, it depends the people. Some people can go to college, they have the same time another job, they go to school, and they go to work. So if you want that, you can do that. If you don't want, you can focus on your education to finish it very well and quickly. So you apply for a good job now where you get more pay. So it depends of your ambition, your purpose, your goal. So you have to pay attention about that, because it's important for you. So the second advantage you have, if you get your green card, you have possibility to bring your family. Like if you are single, you immigrate to the United States of America, you want to bring your family here, you have the possibility to do that. We call that in French regroupement familial. So you bring your family, your wife, if you are married, or if you are not, if you are single, you want to go back, you can go back and marry your wife and come back with or your family, your mother or your father. It depends which person you want to bring in United States of America. So that is things too. After that, we have also the army. You can you have possibility to join the army if you want to serve the army, to get so many benefits about if you are not citizen, you can immediately get your citizen. And if you have the rent to pay, they can pay your rent for you the time you are doing your training. So after that, you have opportunity to ask about citizen. Like if you get your green card will be valuable for 10 years before it expires. When you have 5 years in United States of America, you are able to apply for to apply for citizen. So you start this process to be a citizen, to get the passport, American passport. So if you are American now, you are free to go anywhere you want. You don't need the visa. So that is important too. That is one of advantage in United States of America. So that document is so important. We have a lot of advantage. You can I don't know, it's so many advantage you can do. You can do everything. Maybe you can't vote like last election, you can't vote if you are not a citizen. So only that, but you can do everything the citizen can do. So you can do the same thing. So if you like this video, follow me on this page and give me the power. Je vais résumer cela vite en français. Nous allons parler ici des avantages que la Green Card ici peut offrir une fois que vous décidez de vivre aux États-Unis. C'est vrai que vivre aux États-Unis, ça demande que vous ayez la Green Card. Et la Green Card vous ouvre ici beaucoup de portes et vous donne beaucoup d'opportunités. L'opportunité non seulement de faire un regroupement familial, envoyer votre femme, votre enfant ou vos parents, ou par exemple joindre l'armée et bénéficier de tous les avantages liés à l'armée, ou aussi aller à l'école si vous n'avez pas des moyens pour payer vos études. Vous avez la possibilité de demander ici l'aide financière pour payer vos études. Une fois que vous terminez vos études, vous essayez maintenant de rembourser ici la dette. Ça dépend aussi, vous pouvez aller au collège et puis en même temps travailler à côté. Donc, si vous ne voulez pas vous concentrer sur vos études, une fois que vous terminez, vous trouvez un bon boulot qui va vous permettre ici de rembourser votre dette rapidement. Donc, c'était tout pour cette vidéo. Merci. Faites ce qu'il y a à faire afin de faire ce que vous voulez faire. C'était Pierre de la chaîne POT+. À la prochaine.